We start with the story we're tracking from the national capital. A Delhi government school that was redeveloped twice in 10 years is now in shambles. The Shahbaz Dairy Senior Secondary School, inaugurated by then Education Minister Manish Sisodia in 2020, was shut down in 2025 after being declared unsafe. Nearly 5,000 students have been forced to relocate, raising serious concerns about construction quality and governance. Yesterday, Delhi Education Minister Ashish Sood inspected the dilapidated building and called the school as Taj Mahal of AAP's corruption. The Bharatiya Janata Party government has ordered a probe, while the AAP has yet to respond. With falling slabs, leaking ceilings and mounting allegations, the so-called model school has become a symbol of failed promises and political blame game. It has now begun over the same. Simran Babbar gets us this report from the school premises showing the plight of the school. Let's take a look first up at this report.
A government school that was inaugurated in the year 2020 under the then leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party now stands at this dangerous and this deteriorated situation. What you can see are in fact the visuals of the reality of this government school, and the walls speak for itself. The damaged condition of all of these walls of the building of this 2 acre of land on which the senior government school in Shahbaz Dairy is made. As you can see, there are open railings and iron rods that could be witnessed very easily from this point where we are standing. This is the entire juncture where this is the passageway for children, and imagine at that point of time the situation that would have been for the children that used to come here, and with the staff as well, how exactly dangerous and unsafe the school premises here in Shahbaz Dairy. This is the reality of this school right now, and there is nothing that it can be seen in a very okay situation here, as the entire school premises is in a very shattered situation. ये स्कूल की जो सिचुएशन हम देख पा रहे हैं, 2020 में इनॉग्रेट हुआ था। यहाँ की सारी दीवारें एकदम टूटी पड़ी हैं, बिल्कुल खंडर बना हुआ है। ये कैसे 6 सालों के अंदर इसके अंदर चेंज आया है?
6 सालों में नहीं, इसका 2 जनवरी 2020 को जो है मनीष सिसोदिया जो उस समय तत्कालीन शिक्षा मंत्री थे, उन्होंने इसका उद्घाटन किया था और बहुत ही इसका प्रचार प्रसार भी किया था कि उनका शिक्षा मॉडल दुनिया का सबसे बेहतरीन शिक्षा मॉडल है। इस बिल्डिंग को उन्होंने केजरीवाल जी ने अपने ट्विटर के अकाउंट से ट्वीट किया था कि हमने इतनी शानदार बिल्डिंग बनाई है, जो कि मुझे लगता है लगभग 14-15 महीने बाद ही इसकी जो पत्थर हैं वो गिरने लगे थे। और आप जैसा कि देख पा रहे हैं कि ये जितनी भी सरियाँ हैं सारी अंदर की दिखाई दे रही हैं। ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक पानी जो है नीचे तक पानी भर जाता था, और ये पूरा जो 4 माले की जो बिल्डिंग है वो टुकड़ियों पर पड़ी हुई है। क्योंकि हम घर भी बनाते हैं तो हम ये कोशिश करते हैं कि हम लेंटर डालें, तो ये पूरा शिक्षा मॉडल जो है इस तरीके का है कि इसमें टुकड़ियां पड़ी हुई हैं, कहीं भी ऊपर तक कहीं भी कोई लेंटर नहीं है।
Simran Babbar now joins us with more details. Simran, take us through what's happened the last 10-12 years. So let's go back all the way 2012 when the school was first constructed. Shortly after, in 2016, children started reporting issues with the structure of the school. There were incidents of electric shock, I believe, that also took place, following which renovation work began in 2020. Then Education Minister Manish Sisodia himself inaugurated the school. So take us through a brief timeline here and everything that's gone wrong this last 10-12 years.
Well, rightly, in fact, these are some of the instances. Now, when we speak of what has actually gone wrong over these past years, in fact, there are many such isolated incidents that the residents have reported regarding with the complaints based by the students and the staff. Many residents, while speaking to us, while showing us around of the school vicinity and how exactly in a very poorly maintained area, the entire stretch towards the school road is completely also shown in our reports. And apart from that, when we speak of the building has been made in fact renovated over the last 4-5 years. But what really in fact was really concerning, that the debris from the ceiling falling. Delhi Education Minister Ashish Sood has also called this a Taj Mahal of the Aam Aadmi Party's corruption, and also exposed the nexus in which the entire education model of the Aam Aadmi Party and the then
Arvind Kejriwal had boasted. But
claims as when we of
Simran,
this
we'll try and
very school,
reconnect that line
where
with
at
you. We
first
don't have a very
Swati
clear audio with you. We'll come back to you in just a bit. But Simran, trying to highlight some important points here, viewers. The school was inaugurated for the second time in January 2020 after some kind of reconstruction. The entire project, though, was completed only in March 2020. We're also learning that this happiness of the students studying in the school was short-lived because within the first rains in August 2020 itself, reports of leakage of ceilings started in classrooms in other parts as well. In parts of the school building, tiles could be seen coming out. Letters were written to the PWD immediately. That's how Simran is trying to piece this entire story for us. She joins us on the broadcast once again. Yes, Simran, you were saying.
Well, absolutely. In fact, these are some of the details. And when our viewers are actually looking at the state of the collapse of this infrastructural model, of the education model that the Aam Aadmi Party government had really galvanized their vote bank as well. This is entirely, in fact, put in focus right now because the reality check happens only after a few intervals of years. And now the students, now let us talk about how exactly the students are now studying and are in a very difficult spot given the location of
Thousands
another
of students
school
have had to be relocated. Simran, I'll come back to you. We'll continue talking about that, what happens to students who were going to the school. But before that, I do want to bring in BJP's RP Singh, who joins us on the broadcast. Good morning, Mr. Singh. Your thoughts? Education Minister Ashish Sood has already visited this particular school building. He has, of course, called this Taj Mahal of corruption built during Aam Aadmi Party, the same app that once, remember, took a lot of pride in its education model. Your thoughts when you see these pictures and the complaints being lodged by parents and students alike?
Well, it is the epitome of the corruption, height of the corruption, and this just clearly shows that how the funds were bungled. I've been told almost 35 crore rupees were being spent to redo this school, and there's a known whisper in the system that it's almost 50% money is being shared, 50% for the concerned people who was getting the work done, and 50% will be spent on the school or the building. So this is like the progress made with 50% money, and then we all know that there are a lot of corruption. The roofs are collapsing, the windows are collapsing, the railings are collapsing. I mean, this clearly shows that.
And even there was a delay.
bungled.
If we just go through details, Sardar RP Singh, it was sanctioned at a cost of 32.44 crore rupees in 2017, as highlighted by you. Original completion target was June 2018. It was delayed to April 2019 and finally inaugurated in January 2020.
That would have been because of the money exchanging hand between the contractor and the concerned authorities, and I'll appreciate that she should immediately ask for an inquiry into the matter completely, and it should be given to anti-corruption branch of Delhi police, and then let them inquire into the complete matter and see how corruption prevailed. But fact is that the so-called education model was a model of corruption and model of making money for the personal objectives, for political objectives and personal objectives.
Mr. Singh, thank you for joining us with your thoughts on this. I do want to go across to Simran once again. Yes, Simran, you were talking about how 5,000 students who were studying in the school were also learning that students were coming to the school in 2 shifts. So tell us whether this 5,000 is students including both the shifts, and which schools have they been relocated to? What are parents saying? Tell us about it all.
Well, in fact, let me first also begin the entire this scene by telling you what really happened when we reached the school. Now, for our viewers who are interested in this story and are looking at the details, it is very important to know that it is on the outskirts of the national capital. Usually that location and that area is mostly in a very ignored state. And, you know, when any of the developmental or infrastructural project, when it comes in these areas around Rohini, the northwest or the extreme remote parts where there is not much connectivity as well, it actually is presumed to be a very big boost for the localites as well, and the backward or the underprivileged sections of that very class and that society there. Now, when the school was inaugurated back in 2020, again after the renovation, it actually proved to be a ray of hope for all the in fact students and all the parents as well who did not have a government school of that level inside that area. And even during that time, the Aam Aadmi Party's model of education was actually getting highlight and all the recognition across the world over how exactly they have transformed the educational model in the national capital. But this is a situation when we look inside the school. And when we look inside, when we went to the rooms of the classrooms and how exactly the very playground, which was meant for students to be actually now in the recess time or during the PT time to come and gather and perform the activities, even the ceilings and the railings of that playground, they were in a very collapsed and a very broken state. It also was a shock for a person standing there to feel safe, given that even in front of our eyes itself, the debris from the ceiling started actually falling apart. And that is how exactly the situation of the school has been exposed. Given the kind of complaints that have been raised initially by the school staff, noting that these kind of incidents are increasingly happening, and the safety of the students, largely these students who are coming from underprivileged and backward sections of that area in this government school, it was being jeopardized, and the parents started taking up this matter.
Okay, so once again, the education model seeing a failure, and that's what's being raised by the BJP today. We'll try and get more ground reports on the same. Simran, for the moment, thank you for joining us. We need to shift our focus.